Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at FAMI Inc., ticker symbol FAMI, CHSN International Holding, ticker symbol CHSN, and ARB IoT Group Limited, ticker symbol ARBB. Two Chinese and one Malaysian microfloat sympathy stocks and or insider purchase plays. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, guys, hit that subscribe button. Set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying, you guys, we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. We called out BMR pre-market today, February 12th, 2024, before its parabolic run 1,555%. We also called out MGIH pre-market on February the 6th, February the 9th, and pre-market today, February the 12th, and it ran up 850% today. We also premiered a video on MGIH yesterday as well. And we called out RLNX pre-market today, February 12th, before it ran up 550%. We also called out FAMI, one of the stocks that we're discussing in this video today, which ran up 350% in after hours today, February 12th. We also called out NA back on February the 1st and today, February 12th, before it ran up 280%. We also called out DHAI pre-market today on February 12th before it ran up 148%. And we also called out BOF, which ran up 150%. We also called out CHSN, another stock we're discussing in this video, back on February 9th and today, and it ran up 112% in after hours. And finally, we called out ARBB today, February 12th, which we're discussing in this video, and it ran in after hours today 100%. That's 9 stocks, folks, which ran well over 100% today. We are just made different, This is what we do. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade our stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there's no guarantee that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into this, guys. First, FAMI Inc., ticker symbol FAMI, is headquartered in Lishui, China. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ packaged foods company with a $7.86 million market cap and 70 employees. FAMI Inc., through its subsidiaries, engages in processing and sale of agricultural products in China, the United States, Japan, Canada, Europe, Korea, and the Middle East. The company offers shiitake mushrooms, mu-air mushrooms, and several other types of edible fungi. It also trades cotton, corn, and other agricultural products. The company's products are offered through local distributors to processing manufacturers, supermarkets, restaurants, cafeterias, and local specialty stores. The company was founded in 1994. Now, let's look at FAMI's most recent news. The company announced today its latest high-quality dried shiitake mushrooms order for shipment to Canada, which is seen to reflect a continued healthy North American demand and is a high priority focus for the company. The inclusion of mushrooms into the broader culinary and dietary realms creates a very positive market environment for FAMI. And it's also worth noting, by the way, that the float on the stock is 6.2 million. This is a microfloat stock. Now, the price action on FAMI's stock was pushed upward today. The news of its successful Canadian product shipment and the fact that FAMI is a Chinese microfloat stock could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. CHSN International Holding, CHSN, is also a Chinese stock headquartered in Yumikwi, China. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ restaurant company with a $20.82 million market cap and 354 employees. It manufactures and sells bakery products, seasonal products, and beverage products for individual and corporate customers. Its products are sold through bakery chains, digital platforms, eat-in services, and third-party online food ordering platforms under the George Chanson, Patisserie Chanson, and Chanson brand names. It operates in both China and the United States, and Chanson is also now operating several cafes featuring its new coffee brand, Soul Song, in China, which announced the plan to grow and develop 2 months ago. Now, the company recently announced its first half of fiscal year 2023 financial results last October. It reported that since the loosening of the COVID-19 shutdown restrictions, total revenue was reported to have increased 3.1%, and gross profits had increased 7% in the Chinese market. There's also a significant increase in net income of about 29%. Also good to remember that the company's stock float is 3.39 million, another microfloat stock. Now, the price action on CHSN stock rose 112% in after hours today. The news on its newly launched coffee brand, its recent positive financial results for fiscal year 2023, and the fact that the stock is a Chinese microfloat stock can keep the price moving upward tomorrow with more volume or another news catalyst. Finally, ARB IoT Group Limited, ticker symbol ARBB, is headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ restaurant company with a $35.84 million market cap and 41 employees. A building solutions company, actually. It offers smart home and building solutions through its subsidiaries and also offers information technology services and devices. Provides integration, wiring, data networking, testing, pre-commissioning, and commissioning of various systems for smart buildings. It also offers smart agricultural solutions dealing with hydroponics and farming and other related services. The company was incorporated in 2022. It is a subsidiary of ARB Berhad. Now, a statement of acquisition of beneficial ownership by individuals was filed by the company with the SEC dated today, February 12, 2024, naming ARB Berhad the entity reporting the ownership of 7,503,858 shares of the company's stock. This insider play can be significant And like other stocks we mentioned in this video, the float on this stock is just 1.44 million. Another microfloat Asian stock. Now, the price action of our ARBB stock went up 100% in after hours today. Undoubtedly, the filing with the recent SEC reporting of the beneficial acquisition of company stock by another party, and the fact that ARBB is an Asian microfloat stock could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. Now, as we said earlier, guys, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times, because we are just made different. And the early bird gets the cash. And by the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade our stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read those key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, guys, FAMI, CHSN, and ARBB are all publicly traded NASDAQ companies. 2 of them are Chinese and 1 is a Malaysian company, all with microfloat stocks, which have each reported other significant news. Several Chinese stocks similar to these have rallied in the past week. 2 examples of these were HOLO, another Chinese microfloat stock, which we called pre-market on February the 7th before its huge run, 3,277%. BETS was yet another Chinese microfloat stock company that we called out February 7th and pre-market on February the 8th, which ran up 141%. All of these factors can continue to move the price action upward for these stocks. A continuation in price increase for these stocks is possible. We will be keeping an eye on them. Now, with the right increase in volume, we believe that these factors could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading on each of these stocks. Now, will FAMI, CHSN, and ARBB run parabolic? They will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see that continued volume before we actually day trade these stocks. This is not advice, folks, and we are not pros. It's just my opinion. And I will have FAMI, CHSN, and ARBB on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you guys again on the flip side.